How to get working Applebee's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Type in Applebee's promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Applebee's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. You can also check out this one website. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Applebee. Just scroll and check 25% off, $10 off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Applebee's. You will be directed to the official website of Applebee's. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Applebee. Well, this way you can easily get working promo codes for Applebee's. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.